One of the biggest lies you've ever been told is that crypto exists in isolation from the rest of the world, that somehow it's unrelated to any other asset class, it's unrelated to politics, economics, and all of these things. The reality is crypto is highly related to the rest of the economy and everything else that's going on outside of this. If nobody wants to spend money in the real world, nobody's going to have the risk appetite to invest in crypto. To figure out what season we're in when it comes to economics, whether or not we're growing or shrinking, whether there's appetite for different risk assets, we use the 4 economic seasons model. Up the top, we have Goldilocks and reflation, where growth is increasing. This is called economic summer, and risky assets do very well here, like stocks and cryptocurrencies. Down the bottom, you see that we have inflation and deflation, where growth is slowing. We call this economic winter, and that's a time when we have risky assets which are going down in value. It's a bad time to hold stocks and cryptos. If we have ourselves a price chart of where the prices are moving over time, over the very long run, you'll see here that you will buy for economic summer, which is Goldilocks and reflation, and sell for economic winter, which is inflation and deflation. The economy, over very long periods of time, cycles between economic summer and economic winter. Markets go up and down, and we are responsible for taking advantage of these cycles. It's not too hard when you have the right models. So the question is, how do we know when it is economic summer and economic winter? Well, lucky for you, you have professors in the university that do all the research work for you. We are absolutely obsessed with getting the right information to do this modeling. We use paid services, we do our own analysis, we compare economic information from every country in the world. We're looking at rates of change, we're looking at debt market stress, industrial production, unemployment, GDP, anything that we can get our hands on, so that we know precisely where it is, so that you don't have to do the work. We do it for you. This means that in this university, you get a free economic weather report. We'll tell you if it's economic summer or economic winter. That way, you won't be huddled inside when summer comes, and you won't be out in the cold when the winter comes. You'll be in the right place at the right time, because that's what winners do. Welcome to the winner's circle.